Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about something called multidimensional arrays. And multidimensional arrays is an array that contains another array. And in this tutorial we'll be learning about a two-dimensional array. So we'll have one array and inside of it another one array. So let's actually clean things up and start fresh. I'll create an integer and then I'll create my bracket for array, and then I'll put actually another one because I'm gonna have one that represent which array I'm using. Is it the first array or the second array? And then this will be the value inside of those arrays. So I'll open a curly bracket and I'll put another curly bracket, and that's my first array. So I'll write numbers of like 1, 5, 7. I'll close this one, I'll put a comma, open another one, I'll put 2, 9, and then 8. Close this one and then close the whole entire thing, and then I'll put a semicolon. And then actually I forgot to give it a name, so I'm gonna give it a name of hello and then save that. And then I'll do a system.out.println, and then I'm gonna put hello with brackets, and then inside of those brackets I'll actually put values like that. So let me actually explain how this works. So in case I put 0, I'm telling it, okay, let me actually put a comment in here. So if I have an index of this 0, if that's 0, that's telling it that I want to use this first array right here, which is, in this case, is that. And then let me put some spaces and put something like that. And then if I use 0.1, and all of that I'm talking about the first one right here. If I use 1, that means I want to use those values. So that's for the first array. And for my second one, or actually my first index, that's my first index right here. And for my second index, if I use another 0, that means I actually want to use this right here, which is the first value of my first array. So I used here 0, which I mean actually I want to use this one. I'm totally ignoring that one. If I want to use that one, I'll put 1 in here. And since I wrote 0 again, that means I want to use this value, which is the first value in there. And let me prove that to you guys. So if I save and run, I'll get a value of 1. Let's say if I want the 5, I would go to the second array and write 1. Save, run, I'll get a 5. And so on for also 7. I'll do the same exact thing and I'll get the 7. If I want to go to the second one, I will actually write 1. And then since this is 1, so that means I'm doing that one. And this is 2, so I'll get a value of 8. So that's how to use a multidimensional array. Let me know if you have any questions. It might be a little bit confusing, but I'm pretty sure you'll get the hang of it. I think that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.